Welcome to today's Teambridge Academy tutorial. Today we'll start with the basics of getting to know your workspace. When you first land on your account, you'll probably have a number of sections and workspaces already added. A section, like the operations section seen here, can be expanded or collapsed. It can be renamed by clicking the ... or even deleted. Let's go ahead and just show you what renaming looks like here. You'll be able to type in line and then just click away to save. By clicking the plus next to the section, you can add a workspace. There are several different types of workspace, but let's just go ahead and add a calendar workspace very quickly here. I'm going to go ahead and delete that workspace to not make this account messy. Down at the bottom, you can see the Add New Section button. Clicking it will add a new section. Let me go ahead and give it a name. And you can also give it an icon and a color. Let's make this a green clock. I can click the plus, and this time I'm going to add a blank canvas page. A blank canvas page allows me to add any number of blocks to create the workspace that matches my workflow. I'm going to give it a name, give it an icon. I could even change the cover image, but I'm going to go ahead and remove it for now. I can use the big Add New Block button to add many different types of blocks. First, I'm going to go ahead and just add a text block. The text block supports Markdown, and you can even highlight the text to make it bold or modify it. This is a great way to give your team content resources built directly into their mobile app. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a shifts block that will automatically give me a list of shifts that are upcoming. And I'm going to add a second view to this block, one for late shifts. I don't have any late shifts, but that's okay. It's a good thing. To add a new view, I'll simply click the plus next to the view title. I'll then give it a name, and I can change the filters to make this view whatever I'd like. But what if I don't need to see all the columns that are by default added to this list block? I'm going to go ahead and click on the columns button and remove some of these columns. I can do the same for other views as well. For an ongoing shift, they're probably not going to have a confirmation signature, so I can remove that as it typically will be blank. But I want to add status back because that was pretty important. I can rearrange columns simply by dragging and dropping, and I can even expand or collapse them. I hope you enjoyed this Teambridge Academy tutorial.